We'll guide you through how to fix the WhatsApp microphone not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp, and you're finding that the microphone isn't working. This can be really annoying, as perhaps trying to go and send something like a voice message, or perhaps you're trying to go and make a call. We're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try, and hopefully at the end, it will then go and be fixed, and you'll be able to go and use your microphone and be able to go and fully use WhatsApp, as this problem can be really annoying otherwise. Watch this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're showing and covering important things throughout the whole video. Let's go and dive straight into this. So to go and get started, what you want to do is come out of WhatsApp like so. Now go and open up your settings. The first thing I like to do is actually come into Bluetooth, and we're going to go and turn it off and then return to WhatsApp. Go and see if it's now solved. Often doing this will work because you're connected to a Bluetooth device which has a microphone, or your phone thinks it does, and so it's trying to go and use that microphone, which is why it isn't working. So after doing that, return to WhatsApp and see if it works. If it still isn't, you want to come back to your settings. The next thing you want to try doing is you want to go and scroll all the way down, and we're going to go and find apps. Then in apps, you want to go and scroll down to WhatsApp. This is alphabetical, so we need to come down to W. Shouldn't be much longer. And here we are, WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp, you need to make sure that it goes and has access to the microphone. So as you can see at the moment, it doesn't. So what you can do is switch it on. If you're unable to switch it on, keep watching. I'll cover that in a moment. If it already is switched on, keep watching. I'm showing you a thing you can try doing for the next fix. So if you can't go and turn it on, we're going to come out of the settings and the apps and come back to your main settings page. What you need to do is you need to come up and go and find screen time. So this is due to a restriction why you can't go and control the microphone. And you want to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for content and privacy restrictions. Then you want to scroll down, and you want to go and find in privacy microphone, and you want to go and set that to allow changes like that. Now, if there's a passcode set, that will need to go and be entered in potentially. There isn't currently one set, which is why I don't have to go and do that. So if you don't know the code, you have to get a person who does know it to enter it. Otherwise, you can press the screen time settings down here, and you'll be able to press change and then go and press forgot. And you can go and reset it with your Apple account there. So once you've gone and set that, hopefully now we can come back down here to apps. Then you want to go and scroll back down to WhatsApp in W, and hopefully now you can go and turn on the microphone. Now you can go and return to WhatsApp and go and see if it works. Hopefully it does. If you're still finding it doesn't, or it was already turned on and it's still not working, the next thing we're going to try doing is performing a restart. So you want to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now go and keep this held down. Shortly it's going to go and restart. It will go black, and then you release the power button when you see the Apple icon. Then it will come back on, and you can go and return to WhatsApp, and hopefully now it's working. If you're still finding it isn't, once again, come back here and make sure it's switched on if that setting was missing. If you're finding the microphone option is missing here, what you want to try doing is coming out of the settings here. You want to go up, find the option for general, then you can go and scroll down, and you want to find transfer or reset iPhone. Then you can go down and find the option for reset, and you can try resetting your location and privacy settings. And then hopefully, once that's a reset, try using the microphone in WhatsApp. For example, try using the voice message feature, or you can try making a call. And then hopefully you're going to be able, let me just go and delete that there. And then hopefully you're going to go and be able to use the microphone, and you'll be able to go and give it permissions. But hopefully that's fixed it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.